Hello everyone, what is up and welcome back to the channel. Rumors. Today we are going to be unboxing and taking a look at the LEXAR NM620 SSD. This is an internal SSD as you can see right here. Today we are going to be unboxing it and we are going to be taking a look at how is it. This is actually my first ever SSD unboxing. We have done multiple unboxings on this channel, but we have never done an SSD unboxing. So this is also a first time for me, and the first time as me actually purchasing a NVMe SSD, or I would say any SSD. Only SSD I've actually used are the ones on my MacBook. So yeah, I've not really used any other external SSDs or anything. So this is going to be my first time. So without further ado, let's get started and let's unbox the SSD first before we continue talking more. Okay, here's the LEXAR NM620. This is a M.2 PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD, and this has 3500 megabytes of read and write, and this is actually a 1 terabyte version as you can see right here. Now flip it to the back. This is just the usual stocking, and of course made in China, and this is the SSD right here. And there isn't much to talk about in the box, so let's just quickly get to unboxing it. Okay, there we go. We've cut the seal. Now let's remove it. Move it up. Okay, that's it. Nothing else in the box. Put it aside for now. Here we've got huge documentation, or probably just small documentations, but just in multiple languages. I'm pretty sure a lot of you who have already used SSDs will already know how this is, but this is actually new for me. So let me just open it up. Let me be careful and open it up. This is the LEXAR NM620 SSD. Oh, okay. I was thinking this is actually supposed to be peeled off because it was like a sticker, and that's when I realized this is actually a thermal pack. And here we've got our screw. So we can either mount it up to a external caddy, or we can mount it internally and use it. Now you flip it to the back. Here you can see that this is a 1 terabyte NVMe M.2 PCIe Gen 4 SSD. Yep, that is it. And we've got the screw over here. So that is it actually for the unboxing. So that is it for my unboxing of the NM620 LEXAR NVMe 1TB SSD. The unboxing are usually very less in content. We do only go into the base specifications like we have done right here. The in-depth testing of the read and write speed will be in the review. All of you all know, but the review for the SSD will not be out soon. I really have a bunch of testings to do. I'm really going to be pushing this SSD to its limits, and I'm going to be doing a lot of testing before I go on to do my review on this. See that once you unbox, I'll let you all know why I got this SSD. The first reason why I got this SSD is because my MacBook Pro that I'm having, the 256GB of SSD might have been enough when I first got this MacBook. It's starting to use a lot, and that is when I'm having storage issues. If I'm going to get iCloud plan, that's just going to be another monthly subscription. And for me, if I'm going to be taking iCloud subscription to back up my data, if I'm going to be using iCloud subscription, that is going to be a whole lot of headache to download and re-download again. So the best option is external storage, and the best option is external storages. So I'm just going to cut it short right here. I'm going to save all of my thoughts and all of the reasons why I got this SSD and why I didn't get the other SSDs. Unboxing, let's keep it short and simple. So that's actually been it for the video. Click the like button, get subscribed, turn on notifications so you get notified whenever I post the review of the LEXAR NM620 SSD and a lot more tech videos that we've got coming up. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch all of you in the next one. Bye bye. Oh wait, subscribe again. Yeah, thank you. Bye bye.